Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I wanted to do a prom makeup tutorial for my ladies out there that are going for prom. So I have created this pinky shimmery sweet look and I really loved how it turned out. So without further ado, let's see how I did this. So first I have moisturized my face with this Miniso white moisturizing cream. And then I used this Smashbox photo finish primer on my pores area and it nicely hides the pores. Then I'm color correcting my face with this kryolan orange corrector and I'm applying on the dark spots. And for this look as my foundation, I have taken this Maybelline Superstay foundation and I'm mixing these two color shades and the shades will be in the description box down below. And I'm blending this with my original Beauty Blender Pro. And now I'm using Makeup Revelation Concealer in the shade 07 and blending with Real Technique Mini Sponge. To set the concealers in place, I am taking my RCma No Color Powder and baking my face. In this video, I'm going to use this fall color brush set which comes in a silver pouch and the brushes are quite soft and useful. And to set my whole face, I took this Revlon Photo Ready Face Powder. Now to do my eye makeup, and as you can see, I already did one of my eyes. I'm starting with my primed eyelid, and first I took this light brown color shadow from the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette and applying on the crease area. And now taking this light peachy color and applying over the brown shadow and slightly taking upwards. Now taking this dark brown color and applying on the outer V area and dragging into crease with my Sigma E25 brush. Now I'm applying this light pink shimmery color on the lid and blending it with other shadows. Now the star of the show, this Inglot pigment in the shade 119. It's a beautiful rose gold pinkish pigment. They are so pigmented and shiny. And now you all know that we have Inglot showroom in our Dhaka city at Jamuna Future Park. And now I'm applying the pigment mixing with some Inglot Duraline on my lid and spreading all over. Make sure you have blended all the shadows properly because we don't want any harsh lines. Then to line my eyes, I took this Inglot gel liner in the shade 77 and doing a very thin line. Then I'm popping up some Lola lashes in the style Bombshell. Now I'm applying the Rimmel nude pencil on the lower lash line and some dark shadows and also highlighting the inner corner. And with this my eyes are done. And now to contour my face, I took this sleek dark contour kit. And as blush, I took this beautiful JANDS blush in the shade Sadiaa. And highlighter, I'm applying this Becca Opal and it's a beautiful shimmery highlighter. Now I'm applying Kylie Kristen lipstick and I thought this color would be perfect with this makeover. So yeah, this is it, the final look, and I hope you all liked it, and I hope you are gonna try it at your prom. And if you try it, then don't forget to share with me, and I will see you in my next video. So till then, take care and lots of love.